Welcome to Branded Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love high-performance machines, luxury rides, and the latest car news, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's dive into today's topic, the return of an icon, the 2025 Lexus LFA. The original Lexus LFA is one of the most legendary supercars ever built. Released in 2010, it was a masterpiece of engineering, combining a high-revving V10 engine, cutting-edge technology, and an unmistakable exhaust note. It was a car that proved Toyota's luxury division could compete with the best in the world. Now, after more than a decade, Lexus is bringing back the LFA, and the excitement is off the charts. The 2025 Lexus LFA is expected to be a complete game-changer, blending Lexus's commitment to precision engineering with modern electrification. While the original LFA was powered by a naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V10 developed in collaboration with Yamaha, the new model is rumored to take a different approach. Reports suggest that it could feature a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, producing over 900 horsepower. This would make it one of the most powerful supercars on the planet, putting it in direct competition with the likes of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and the McLaren P1. One of the key aspects of the original LFA was its lightweight construction, utilizing a carbon fiber-reinforced polymer chassis. The 2025 model is expected to continue this legacy, incorporating advanced materials to keep the weight down while improving rigidity and aerodynamics. Lexus has been developing new carbon fiber production techniques, and this new LFA could showcase the latest innovations in lightweight engineering. Another major highlight of the new LFA is its electrification. With the automotive industry shifting towards hybrid electric powertrains, Lexus is expected to integrate advanced battery technology into the LFA. Some sources even speculate that a fully electric version could be in the works, pushing the boundaries of performance and sustainability. If this happens, we could see Lexus competing with electric hypercars like the Rimac Nevera and the Pininfarina Battista. Performance-wise, the 2025 LFA is expected to be lightning fast. The rumored hybrid twin-turbo V8 setup would not only deliver extreme power, but also provide instant torque, allowing for blistering acceleration. We could be looking at a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in the world. Lexus has also been focusing heavily on aerodynamics, meaning this car will likely feature active wings, advanced diffusers, and a sophisticated suspension system to enhance its track capabilities. The design of the new LFA is expected to take inspiration from the original while introducing a modern, aggressive aesthetic. Spy shots and concept sketches suggest a sleek, low-slung body with sharp lines, massive air intakes, and an unmistakable Lexus spindle grille. Expect a mix of futuristic LED lighting, carbon fiber elements, and a cockpit designed for ultimate driver engagement. Inside, the cabin will likely feature the latest in Lexus luxury, blending high-end materials with cutting-edge technology. A digital instrument cluster, an advanced infotainment system, and a driver-focused layout will ensure that this car feels as advanced as it performs. One of the most thrilling aspects of the original LFA was its incredible sound. The 4.8-liter V10 was often described as one of the best-sounding engines ever made, with an exhaust note that could rival an F1 car. While the 2025 model may not have the same naturally aspirated V10, Lexus engineers are reportedly working on creating a unique, exhilarating soundtrack for the new powertrain. Whether through acoustic tuning, hybrid-assisted sound enhancement, or innovative exhaust design, expect the new LFA to deliver an unforgettable auditory experience. When it comes to pricing, the original LFA was already an exclusive supercar with a price tag of around $375,000. Given the advancements in technology and performance, the 2025 LFA is expected to cost significantly more, potentially exceeding the $500,000 mark. This would put in the same league as hypercars from Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren. However, given the cult status of the original, Demand is expected to be extremely high, making this a highly sought-after collector's car. Production numbers for the new LFA are still unknown, but if Lexus follows the same philosophy as before, it will likely be a limited production masterpiece. The first LFA saw only 500 units built, ensuring its exclusivity and long-term value. The 2025 model could follow a similar path, with only a select number of units available for lucky buyers. Lexus has been testing and developing high-performance cars for years, and the new LFA is shaping up to be the ultimate expression of that expertise. Whether it's through hybrid power, electrification, or cutting-edge aerodynamics, this car will redefine what a Lexus Supercar can be. It's not just about speed, it's about creating an experience, a car that is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. What do you think about the return of the Lexus LFA? Are you excited about its potential hybrid or electric powertrain? Or do you wish it retained a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Branded Cars, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the car world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.